Today we are looking at a rebuilt Sudenga C-800 bucket elevator. This unit takes a 4x6 bucket. We're just doing a walk around of this unit, and then we're going to put it in line for fabbing up safety shielding. Before we do that, we just wanted to get it in front of you guys so you can see the quality of our work. Again, this unit will be fitted with safety shielding. You can see this unit has new bearings. It also has a brand new 1 horsepower single phase electric motor. We can turn it by hand. Again, this unit was rebuilt. It has all new bearings. The head pulley has been checked. It's in excellent condition. We can see the boot pulley here. It's in excellent condition as well. This unit has new bearings throughout the machine. The sheet metal on this unit is in good shape as well. You can see the side of the boot here. This unit comes up on a stand, and it has some clean out doors that allows you to get the boot perfectly clean. We can easily pull the clean out doors out of the boot. This unit comes with 2 charging faces. We have our standard small charging face, and this unit came in with this homemade surge hopper, so it does come with this as well if you'd like to put that on. Even though it's homemade, it was good enough to include in this. We can see the sections here. Comes with an inspection section that usually goes right on top of the boot. These would then go on top of that, and then the head would go on, of course. And we have some elbows that come with the unit. They're in good shape as well. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt. This unit is in excellent condition. It's ready to go out and perform again. It has all new bearings, a new motor, and again, it will be fitted with safety shields. It's going to be in line to do that after this video. This unit is sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery, all makes, all models. You can visit our website or call us today. Thank you for watching.